Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OUKITEL WP20. Begin by going into Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, click OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of WP20. From here, you can use all of those categories available at the top of your Android device and choose all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to click on Allow a couple of times. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on OUKITEL. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, just click on Input Keys section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then to connect, tap on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!